Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
Waste management, for those of you who don't know, of course, it is a trash company. They collect trash, they collect, recycling, et cetera, towns, counties, et cetera, outsourced to them. When you look at waste management on a uniform accounting versus as reported basis, both of them show, look, ROAs have been improving for this business recently, right? And ROA, uniform ROA versus as reported is not that distorted here. The bigger issue with waste management isn't that the returns are distorted, it's how wrong as reported valuations are for this business, right? You look at waste management and you say, okay, I've got a very stable, very safe business that's also improving returns over time. And you think about that, a business that's stable and improving returns over time, that business probably justifies a multiple that's slightly higher than market average. It's not going to grow massively, but if market average PEs are around 21 times, yeah, it should trade a little higher than 21 times. And you look at as reported metrics and you think this company's trading at a 25 times PE. It makes sense. But in reality, this company's really trading at a 36 times PE. When we clean up the accounting, we capture the total enterprise structure of the business. And when we see that, what we can see is, right, at 36 times multiple, you're not saying a company that can grow earnings because it can slightly improve operations over time. You're betting on a startup, right? You're betting on a high growth company. You're betting on Amazon, right? If you have those kind of multiples. You're betting on a company that you think ROAs can grow from 7% last year to 12%, which would be almost double where they were 2 years ago. That is not in the realm of possibility for this business. We only realize that market expectations are that high when we look at the true blue uniform accounting data. It changes the conversation for waste management. No longer is the question, yeah, can waste management keep on doing what it's doing? Because if it could, it's probably fairly valued at a 25 times multiple. But at a 36 times multiple, waste management needs to revolutionize its business to justify these valuations. And I don't think anybody on this call would possibly agree that waste management is going to be able to change the trash business that much to be able to justify a 36 times PE, which, by the way, aside from last year, is the highest valuation it's ever had historically.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.